Hey guys, my name is Spike. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike, and we are going to be putting in a fan in the roof. I went ahead and ordered myself a Deluxe fan. So we're going to put this in on the roof, kind of like top of the line, so you can open it up like this and you can use it in the rain. It's got a massive fan. It can be exhaust or intake, so I can bring fresh air or exhaust some gas from cooking and all that fun stuff. And it's very important to have a way to expel your humid air inside the van. So we're going to put this in the roof. So we're going to put it in the roof. You're going to need some beetle tape. You're going to need some self-leveling lap sealant. This is for roofs, for RVs and stuff. You're gonna need a drill, some drill bits. I'm gonna use a sawzall. You could use a jigsaw. You could use a grinding wheel, a cutoff wheel. There's multiple ways you can do this, but I'm gonna try a drill and the sawzall. I've got metal blades, and hopefully we're not gonna lose any fingers today. Fingers crossed. And first thing you're gonna need to do is take your tape measure and start measuring out exactly where you're going to want everything, because I've got a 59-inch solar panel that needs to go up there, and each roof rack is almost 2 inches long, so I'm going to need 59 plus 4 is 63, so I'm going to need 63 inches before I pop over to this line. So I should have enough space, but I need to figure out how to mark this line, because I don't want to cut into this beam and put the fan right up against this beam. Upstairs won't matter, downstairs won't matter, because it's going to be insulated. And there'll be a ceiling, and then we'll mount in the inside cap that gets screwed into the roof. So there's a few things I need to get done. First, we're going to measure out everything, make sure everything fits perfectly before I start cutting holes. Because I'd like to just drill a couple holes from beneath so I know exactly where that thing is, but I want to just verify. The other cool thing is if I need that extra few inches of space, I'm pretty sure my roof rack will sit like right up above here. So if I need that extra inch or whatever, I can bud the solar panel roof rack up against here a little bit, so it won't be too much of a problem, but we'll put it up there and we'll try it out. So after we're done cutting the hole, we're going to pop this into the place. We're going to put some beetle tape all along this edge on the roof. We're going to fill the gap between this bump and the next bump. Throw some sealant on there around the edge, the inside of the edge, the outside of the edge. We'll do some pilot holes for the drills. Put some screws in there, and we'll pop it down, and we'll put it in. We'll put a nice layer of self-leveling around the edge, over top of each screw, and it should be done. Hopefully it doesn't rain today, because it was supposed to rain, but the weather network says it's not going to, so let's get this done. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's going to fit. I'm like 99.8% sure. That little 0.02% chance that it might not fit, though I'm going to take that mistake if that shit happens, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to happen. So I'm going to mark the edges 7 inches. Just right there. 7 inches over here. I'm craving hope in this dark. Okay, let's check that cardboard cutout. Let's match the center of this. 16th. There's my center line. Match it up here. Looks like everything is. I'm just going to take 2 drill marks here, and then I'm going to go to the roof, pop this down, mark it, and then finish my cut. Let's see how 3/4. Okay. That way each of my holes is exactly 3/4 of an inch from this brace. My darling, rose and fire. You're a liar. You say, my darling, rose and fire. And fire. You say, my darling, rose and fire. You're a liar. She was my spine, so patient. Swimming in the rivers, swimming in the rivers. I'm trying to let go of what's happening. Relationships will often end in disgust. And I know you are my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. So I went ahead and drilled some holes for the screws, pilot holes, so that I could put them in, and then I just sprayed them with a little bit of primer to protect it from rusting. And then we're gonna put some beetle tape and start laying this down. Let's get started. And here comes the rain. Full coverage on all corners and all sides. All the screws are covered. I think I'm ready to put this in. This is actually really exciting. I don't know if I should wait until this dries, but I'm just gonna put it in. And that's it, guys. She's installed. All done. And she looks great. On to the next project. Well, there she is. She's done. She's installed. Just got to do some wiring, but that's going to have to wait until I'm ready to put the wiring in. And then once the wiring's in, we'll start insulating and doing walls, and then we'll get everything buttoned up and connected. But that's a project for another day. So I'm going to end it here. I've got a little bit of cleaning up to do. And we're going to get on to the next project. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked what you saw, please subscribe, like, comment on the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.